So, Jackie, this is like the 4th time we've met Adam. Sounds like something serious is going on.
He's so great, right?
Yeah.
I think tonight might be the night, but I just came from work, so I don't know if down there is fresh enough for its debut. So
We'll fix this. Here, just use some makeup wipes.
no way! There's no way that's healthy.
Okay, how about we wet the paper towel and then we put some soap on it? You're all good to go.
Oh my gosh, stop. I can't listen to this anymore. Use these.
Thanks. What are they?
They're Cleanse with Benefits by Pure Romance. They're freshening wipes to help get rid of any bacteria or odors. Oh, and they give you a really fresh, tingling sensation that I think might help with your Adam situation.
Wow, are you an angel?
Close enough. I'm a Pure Romance consultant.
Thank you so much. You have no idea how much I needed this. And I have a feeling you'll be hearing from me if tonight goes well with Adam.
Pure Romances, Cleanse with Benefits. Feel fresh and be ready for anything.
Hello? I need those back. Ugh, not again.